Steve, we are at our house, Sir Steve, and this is my mother and father. And this is, my father is out of the hospital, Sir Steve. He's done with
The surgery
the
is
surgery is
done.
done. Yes, Sir Steve. And this is the money that you gave to him.
But he need to drink medicine.
Yes, Sir Steve, this is the receipt.
The prescription.
Yes. Sir Steve, this is the total of the bill and the
Prescription of
Yes,
medicine.
Sir Steve. Ba't ang ubin? Yung mata.
Sir Steve, look at the Pamela's father eyes.
Yes, Sir Steve.
The surgery is done, but it's not his other eyes. Maybe they cannot see anymore. Look, it's luha.
Yes.
Look, it's her father is crying, Sir Steve, because the money that you give is a very big help to him. Again.
Sir Steve, thank you so much for the blessing that you gave to my family and me, especially to my father. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you always, Sir Steve. Love you. Thank you kayo.
Thank you, Sir Steve.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Sir Steve.